Yo, what's up guys? My name is Alex with Calibre Nation, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do your first basket catch. Check out these variations. So as you can see, this move is more than just a filler move. When you get really good at it, you start adding your own style into it and making yourself stand out from the rest of the other freestyle athletes. I'm gonna show you 3 steps on how to learn your first basket catch. One thing I like to tell people all the time is to record yourself on the phone so you can see what you're doing wrong and how you can improve. So check out these 3 progressions on how you can learn your first basket catch. All right, so check this out. Right here, I got a low bar, which is where you wanna start learning this move. And I got a mat right underneath me. So as a beginner, I'm always gonna go and utilize the mats because if I fall, I'm gonna hurt myself. So the first step is learning how to do bar pops. If you get really strong at your bar pops, then this move is gonna be super easy. How do you get good at your bar pops? You gotta do dips. So this is a bar pop. I'm folding right at my hip bone, letting my legs get really high. And it also helps if your chest is over the bar, so you can do a really high bar pop. If your chest is too high up, like right here, you're not gonna be able to pop up super high. The next step is learning how to do a bar pop and letting go with one hand, okay? I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna let go with my right hand. So this last progression is the last one that you really need to go and work on. So you're performing the basket catch with a foot tap. Check it out. Boom, basket catch. That's basically it. Get comfortable at that, just full send it. It should look like that. Oops. All right, after you're done with that, just full send the basket catch. It's really easy. Pop hard and boom. Throw both legs over it. Don't be scared. All right guys, that was pretty much the tutorial. If you liked it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also gonna be putting our Instagram handle and our website in the description. So if you wanna check us out and maybe get some new gear, go ahead and click those links.